Merchandiser killed by police in Portland. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. One man was shot and killed by the police during an alleged confrontation in Fruitful Vale, Portland on Tuesday, February the 15th. He has been identified as 32-year-old Dwayne Brooks, a merchandiser of Fruitful Vale, also in Portland. Reports are that the police carried out an operation in the community when they were allegedly confronted by Brooks. Brooks was allegedly shot and injured, and he was taken to the hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. The matter is now being investigated by Indicom. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.